Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create stunning Instagram posts in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to go ahead and launch your Canva web application, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing that you like to do is to either head over to this top right corner where you see create a design to create a new design. That's to create your Instagram post from scratch, or to head over to the search bar to search for templates that are feasible. So in the search bar, all I need to do is to type Instagram post and punch the enter button. And these are really interesting templates that I can use. Now on Canva, you'll see that some of the templates are labeled Pro. This means you have to head over here to upgrade your plan before you can access any of these Pro designs. But from here, let's just choose any post that actually seems really striking, and we'll be good to go. So this is free. So I'm just going to click on that template and it really looks nice. So right here, I'm just going to click on customize this template. And it's going to open me up to the Canva Studio so that I can start designing. And here it says daily motivation. So let's say I want to create an Instagram post on motivation, and I want to take this motivation as a series. So here's how I can design this template. Now with this template, I can customize it to whatever I want. So let's say here, I'm just gonna, of course, double click and change it to, let's say, mind shift. So mind shift with Amy, and my mind shift here says appreciate the you in you. So let's say that's my mind shift quote, So all these, so here I'm just double click and add D.A.F.I. So that's my handle. So let's say, so right here we actually have something sweet. But let's say I want to just customize this the more. I can just, hold this. I just click on it. Whatever element you want to work on, just click on it, and then you hold the edge. So I'm clicking on that and I'm holding this edge. So just left click and draw. So I just want it to be, so I made that to be invisible. All right, and this also is another thing that I can increase. So I can increase this, and this is another one. I can, of course, decrease this, or just, okay, let's just leave it like this. It still looks fine. Oh, how do you see this? It's perfect, right? I can also decrease this. Because I just want it to be big. Just left click and then draw to whatever you want. I don't like this, so I can just click on this dots and click on this delete button, click on edge and delete, and I'm just going to delete. So that's out of the space, and I can also delete this because I don't want it here. So here we go. I can also change the color. And how do I do that? Just click on the background. All right, so now this, head over here, background color, and then click on that, and you can say color palette. So the color palette, you see, this is white now. And white looks somehow doesn't really bring out the beauty, so you can just change it. Let's see. It looks fine somehow. Ooh. So I can just change it. Something cool, something beautiful. Yeah, this strikes me as it. This looks beautiful. All right. This can even change. You see blue now, everything's just all blue. And it's just really fine. I can just change this color, just click on that and change it to white, since we have white in the background. So white's gonna make much sense. So here we go. Mind shift with Amy, and then I can click on this and make it bold. I can also increase the font size, you know. Yeah. So to make it more creative, this can just come down, and this can also come down. So I'm just gonna have to spread this, or just spread it wide and take it upwards. Doesn't really strike me as cool. So let's just leave it this way. I could capitalize this, so it's gonna make much sense. So this mind shift we're aiming, and so this is it. So this actually, it's a cool Instagram post. So you can see how we turned the previous one to this new one, and see what the previous one looks like and see what this one is now. So this is just how to work your way around it, and click here, share button, click on download, and you're able to download this beautiful or this amazing Instagram post using the elements. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.